In this video, how to fix the grayed out secure boot option in InsydeH2O BIOS. As you can see, the secure boot option is grayed out and cannot be selected. To fix this, you need to go to the Security tab first and set a Supervisor password. This will unlock the option. Now, you can see that many settings in the BIOS can be changed after setting a password. You can now disable Secure Boot as usual. After you have made the changes you need, it is a good idea to remove the Supervisor password. This is to avoid losing access to the BIOS if you forget the password. Enter the current password and then press Enter without typing a new one. Press the F10 key to save your changes and restart the computer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.